Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV, and today we are showing you the Tusk UTV molded fender flare kit for the Honda Pioneer. All right, everyone, thank you for checking in. So today we're showing you a cool accessory from Tusk for the Honda Pioneer 1000 and 700. It's a UTV molded fender flare kit. So a couple reasons these are nice to have. First, they just give a cool, little bit more aggressive look to your Honda Pioneer. And the other, and the most important, is that once you have these installed, they're adding width to your fender flares. So it's just gonna offer a little bit more coverage from rocks, debris, and mud, possibly flying into the cabin. That's especially important if you have aftermarket wheels that have a wider offset or larger tires. Then you definitely want that added width to prevent that stuff from flying into the cab. So with these, as far as install goes, it's simple. They're just gonna mount right up. There is some drilling required, but it's a job that really anyone can do. So installation simple, again, injection molded plastic, and as you can see, they just about double the width of your OEM fender flare. So a little added width, again, just to help keep debris and possible things flying into the cab, and a little bit more sporty look for your Honda Pioneer. So if that's something that you're after, be sure to pick a set of these up. To grab some, click on the link or just head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. They are machine specific, so when you're picking yours up, just enter the year, make, and model, and that will ensure that you get the proper fitment. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.